course, save careers. Safety is an illusion. Dream big. Dream loudly. There is nothing wrong in being ambitious, being hungry for the right reasons. So should we start? Are you guys excited? Yeah. Oh my God, I love the energy. Me too. So anyone knows why I'm here for? Anyone? No? Yes? Guys, I'm here to teach you makeup. Of course, yes, you raised your hand. Yes, please.
Do makeup.
Yes, to teach makeup, but also to talk about that how makeup is also an entrepreneurship, how it has changed my life, what it can do for others, and how magical this world is with makeup. So let's get started. First and foremost, good morning to each and everyone here, sitting here, and a big round of applause to everyone sitting here. I can't tell you how happy I am. Like I've been super grateful. This opportunity I've been waiting for to talk about my journey, to inspire young girls, the opportunity which I didn't get. And I was like, I just need one chance to come and talk. So thank you, Professor Rama ma'am, Sagar, a big thank you to you, Principal Dr. Neeru Bhagat, Vice Principal Snowber Satarwala, and thank you Rama ma'am again. Thank you for giving me this platform to talk about and share my journey. Just like you, all of you, sitting here today, 10 years ago, I was sitting exactly where you are. And I had one crazy thought, that if I can get this one thing right, my entire life will change. And you know what that thing was? Anyone? Anyone want to answer this question? Makeup, okay. What else? Confidence, okay. Fashion, lovely. I'm liking. Any more? Opportunity, interesting. That thing was my superpower. Lovely answer, guys. Lovely answer. A round of applause to each and one of you who answered this. But along with that, my superpower. And you know what that superpower was? My mom. Okay, yeah, she's played an incredible part in my journey. That superpower is that I'm a luxury bridal makeup artist. So today, whatever I am, whoever I am, makeup has given me everything. Love, respect, power, position, everything. So if I can do it, so can you. If a girl from living in a chawl can dream to, live a successful life, or think about that she wants to make her family settled and want to give a comfortable life, so can you. So let's get started. The video you just saw, powerful, right? Yes. That was my story at 23. So you know how it started, honestly. At the age of, I'm sure you must have seen the video, but let me tell you more in depth. I was a lost child. I was not sure what I want to do in my life. And that's when this purpose started, that I want to reach out to colleges and share my journey. So I gave 90 hours to YouTube. And back then, I did not know how to get started. There were no contacts, no backup, no family connection. One fine, I used to participate in a lot of inter-college competition. That built my confidence. And one fine day, my friend just saw my nail and she's like, oh wow, Kajol, you paint really well. And I was like, yeah. So she's like, why don't you reach out to aas-paas ke parlors? So I said, okay, let's reach out. Me being me, I come from a business background. Business was always in the blood. I used to go to my dad's karkhana and used to work entire my summer vacation, like 3 months. So I used to put attendance, count cash, give salary. So I was already having that mindset that, no matter what, I want to do something big and it has to be an entrepreneurship. But how big, how to roadmap, no idea. So when I started approaching a lot of salon people, a lot of parlors, out of three, one got converted. And you know how old was I? 17. And that gave me the confidence. The first earning was 3,600. And I was like, listen, I got that money, I want to save it, and my college is going to start, I want to do shopping. I started planning. And that's how my journey started. And as a 17-year-old, when you're awarded, when you're rewarded, when you feel financially secured, you feel that sense of validation. You get the thought to dream, that the power, the energy. And I was like, if one client can get converted, why not reach out to many people? That's when I started researching on Just Dial, and I listed down 100 numbers. I listed down, I am from Bombay, I live in Ghatkopar. I just didn't list it down Ghatkopar salons. I made a list of Vikhroli, all the 30-kilometer radius आसपास के सारे salon, सबसे जाके meeting की out of 100. And you know how many got converted? Out of that, eventually, in a year's time, 17 got converted. And that gave me a power. That gave me the power of validation. Because when a woman earns and when she's financially independent, she has the power to speak, she has the power to dream, she has the power what she wants to wear, how she wants to live her life. That's how my story got started. So what you're seeing me today, Kajola Pasan, standing right in front of you, she was not built just in 1 year or 2 years. I have gone through lot of struggles, lot of challenges. Lot of people have turned down and said, "Yaar, parlor ka job hai." In fact, I did not even tell my father that I have entered makeup industry for 2 years, because back then it was considered as taboo. My brother and my mom had to convince him that your daughter is doing this. But today, makeup is $1 billion industry. It powers fashion, OTT, top-notch luxury destination weddings. So what it has given me, to be here, it requires a lot of hard work, guts, dreaming big. So guys, do not settle for less. Do not ever compromise. The only one person, you have to believe in yourself. I was a rebel kid and a curious child as well, since childhood. I used to always ask myself, whenever there was a problem, I used to always ask myself, how can I make it better? And I was a problem solver. I had everything to not make me be, not being successful. But I turned every obstacles into an opportunity. And when that opportunity came my way, I squeezed every drop of it. I ensured that I'm backing it up with my hard work, with my dedication. I still remember, like when I had my final board exam, human resource, and 10 o'clock was my exam. It was my final year, and I woke up around 5 a.m. I had a bride. I went to her. I did my bride at 7 a.m. 9 a.m. I left. I reached my board exam. So what did I do? I did not say कि मेरा exam है और मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, I ensured that I want to grab every opportunity. I put in a lot of hard work. And when I say hard work, guys, I have given in one day. Back nowadays, social media is the king. It's like a boon. You can show your artwork, you can get successful. Back in the days, I had to go to each and every one and prove my art. I used to leave home by 7 a.m. and I used to go to my bride, and it used to take me 3 hours to give trial. And in one day, I used to schedule 3 trials. And I have learned on the job, because now makeup it has completely changed, right from the formulation, right from opportunities, social media. But back then I had to work on my art, learn by myself. There was no roadmap. There was nothing which I can fall back. The only person I could fall back was myself. My mistakes were my biggest teacher. With each trial, when I used to go to my bride's, to give a trial, whatever they used to say, I don't like it, I have given in 1 week 40 trials. Only 4 trials have got converted. But like that did not that did not put me down. I did not let my confidence down. I always, with every failure, I asked myself, how can I make it better? What can I do कि मैं इसे ये next time ये गलती ना हो, या मैं next time trial में ऐसा क्या करूँ जिससे bride convert हो जाए. So I made my business model in such a way. I learned on the job. I was a manager, social media content creator, everything I was doing by myself in the first 3 years of my career. But today, I have a big team. And the power of delegation is incredible. So coming back to all of you, dream big, dream loudly. There is nothing wrong in being ambitious, being hungry for the right reasons. And if you have 1% also believe that you have that fire, you have that belief in you, that I can turn my passion into a career, we are here to help you. So I want to share a very small story how I started makeup. So makeup was already inbuilt in me since my childhood, coming from a Bengali cultural rooted family. I have always seen art in my form, and I used to apply lipsticks when I was 6-year-old and go to sleep. Like makeup, I was just so passionate about, but I never thought that I can turn my passion into a career. And today, wherever I am, it's amazing. I can't even tell you that how happy I am, how grateful I am, and along the journey, I decided that if I can empower, if one Kajol can make such a big difference, what if I empower 1,000 Kajol? And that's where the journey of Kajol R. Paswan Academy started, where we just not only teach makeup, we also teach how to build yourself as a brand, how to market yourself, because being a professional means also positioned as a brand. When I started, I lacked a mentor, I lacked a roadmap, and that's why my dream was to create one for all of you. That dream became Kajol R. Paswan Makeup Academy. The only reason to start it, because when I was starting out, I had done so much of research, to find a place where I can learn, where I can upgrade, where I feel confident, but I couldn't find one. So I decided to start one. I told this to myself that, when I will be in a power to create an academy, I always visualize that when my academy is built, whosoever that enters that place, they should feel they have arrived in their life. So I created one for all of you guys. So my academy covers from professional photo shoots to internship, just you guys heard, from bridal package, backstage to social media training, we prepare you for the real world. And for those who wants to go deeper, we also have our in-house program as well, where you can sign a contract and getting into our team. So you get real world opportunities, real world training, and also you get to be a part of KRP team. So here's my message to you. Don't settle for less. Don't settle for safe careers. Safety is an illusion. If you have, as I said, if you have that fire, if you have that, even if one person believes in you, just follow your heart, not just make up whatever you want to do in your life. Take that leap of faith, because the only person will be happy when even if you fail or even if you succeed is you. You will be responsible for your own decision. And if makeup is that passion, then know this, you don't need to walk alone. With Kajol R. Paswan Academy, you'll have a mentor, a roadmap, and a family to back you up every step of the way. So dream loudly, start small, and one day you will see that you have reached and achieved commendable result. So thank you for listening to me, and if this inspired you, come talk to me. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to talk to you guys. Thank you. No matter आपके पास कितने भी अच्छे brand हो, but if your skin is not very well hydrated, if it's not very well prepped, then you won't be able to achieve the look you want to achieve. Okay, so let's get started. So when I apply the moisturizer, let it be there into the skin by itself. आप उनको बिल्कुल touch मत करो, उनको अपने हिसाब से absorb होने दो. base is something which we all struggle with, I believe. So look at the way I'm applying the moisturizer. And the brand which I've used is OC Glow. It's my holy grail brand. I have not switched this moisturizer from last 8 years. I've tried thousands of moisturizer, but nothing has performed well for makeup like this. What's the next step? Any guesses? Yes. Wow. When I started, I didn't even know what was primer. So I'm impressed. You guys know. So you can use any primer. Right now, the primer which I'm using is YSL. It's a brand. It's an international luxury brand. And the reason I'm using this primer, because it makes your skin texture really, really like a baby soft. If you have pores, texture, सब कुछ flawless कर देता है. And a lot of people ask me, primer is important. Yes, primer is important because it creates a barrier from your skin to the makeup. There you go. How much amount? You can just take very tiny bit. And always apply where you feel it will crease a lot. So creasing is जहाँ पे line बन जाता है. So this area is where it creases a lot, and this area. So I'm gonna deposit there. I believe that makeup is not just about steps, but how you do it. The techniques really matter. Even if you are using a drugstore product, the technique or how you do it, the information, the texture, everything matters. So the minute I have applied the primer, the foundation which I'm going to be using is one of my favorite brand is House Lab. It's by Lady Gaga. So she's a fantastic, intelligent woman, because the foundation which she has made glides immediately, and this gives like a crease-less finishing. Even like city like Mumbai, Hyderabad, this stays intact. I'm using a foundation brush. So whenever you're using any product, you always have to use your brush before depositing anything. Navina doesn't have any kind of discoloration into the skin, so that's the reason I'm going with direct the foundation. So how do we recognize or how do we know कि कौन सा foundation लेना चाहिए? जो भी foundation बहुत hydrating होता है, जैसे ही आप लगाओगे easily blend हो जाएगा अपने हाथों में, वो foundation use करना चाहिए. So foundation in drugstore like Maybelline, L'Oreal, these are the foundations which are amazing. In hydrating one, you can go for NARS, you can go for Too Faced, you can go for Dior. These are the high-end brands, and there are many more. So the reason why I'm educating you what kind of foundation is, because the minute the hydration is there, you don't have to build a lot, and hydration वाले formula में already skincare होगा, so आपके skin में बहुत अच्छे से absorb हो जाएगा. Okay, so guys, this is the Damn Beauty Blender. Okay, I will try as loud as I can. This is the Damn Beauty Blender. So क्या होता है ना, अगर ये dry है और आप directly अपने face पे ही apply कर रहे हो, तो आपका जो product है वो absorb कर लेगा, खींच लेगा skin से. अगर आप चाहते हो कि वो flawless finishing दे, तो use इसको wash करो, पूरा squeeze out करो. जब आप press करोगे, एक पानी का बूंद नहीं गिरना चाहिए. That's how the blender should be. Because just in case अगर आपका foundation dry हो रहा है, so ये Damn Beauty Blender की, so water always have the consistency to provide hydration in makeup. That's the reason we always dampen the product. Okay, there you go. I'm just going directly and I'm just gonna blend this. The next thing which I'm going to be doing is my favorite blush. So you can use any pink formula blush. Sometimes I use lipstick and put little of foundation and create my own blush. So this is like a pink blush which goes for most of the Indian skin, and it gives such a healthy and natural glow. There you go. I'm using the same beauty blender to deposit this. I want her to look extremely natural and very, very healthy glowing skin. Okay, the next thing is always set your foundation with lock your liquid product. Any liquid product has to be locked. So to start with, I'll start with the blush. Blush मैंने liquid लगाया ना, तो उसको powder से lock करना है. So I'm going ahead with my blush. Make Me Blush from brand YSL. YSL is one of my favorite brands. You guys, I'm sure now by now you know it. This is how I'm just gonna apply. And I like a lot of blush to add that healthy soft glow because usually blushes fades away. 70% आप जितना भी लगाओगे 70% वो चला जाता है. So हमेशा थोड़ा extra ही लगाओ. Now I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury powder to lock her base. So I'm using this brush is called a spoolie and this is angular. So whenever I like to fill the brow, I use an angular brush. And always start from the tail very softly. Navina has got beautiful brows, so we don't have to fill like entirely. Very gently, you need to fill in and just brush it. Okay. And I'm just gonna add a lip gloss on her lips. The shade is Hazelnut. I'm just gonna use a fixer to lock it. Okay, for eyeshadow, there's one simple formula. Whenever in doubt, you can use a brown formula color for your own lid space because that's the easiest and the simplest technique. No brainer eyeshadow. This is like a bronzer. What is a bronzer? Which I use to contour the product. I'm using it as an eyeshadow. So this is a product. I'm holding my eyeshadow brush and just gonna take it on the tip. Last में सबको दिख रहा है? Everyone can see it? Okay. So whenever you are doing your own eyeshadow, always हम eyes बंद करके नहीं makeup करते हैं, हम eyes open करके करते हैं. So whenever you're doing your own eyeshadow, you have to place this here. I'll show it on Navina as well. Very softly, I'm just adding this on the entire eye. I'll take my liquid eyeshadow, which has shimmer in it. This palette is from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the pigment. I'm gonna deposit like this. So whenever in doubt, always mix brown color with any champagne gold, silver, pink, shimmer. That's the easiest way, okay? With this, our session has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, thank you. If you had the chance to do makeup professionally, would you consider it as a career? Oh my God, okay. So many of you. You said yes, right? Why? Can I know the reason?
So I'm already a मेहंदी artist and a nail artist too. तो मेरा बचपन से ड्रीम है, like I was my mama was used to say कि मेकअप अच्छा करती हो, you can pursue. So एक ममा का भी ड्रीम है कि उन्हें भी करना है. So my dream also is to pursue that in the makeup industry.
Lovely, lovely. A big round of applause. Thank you for answering. Who else want to answer this question?
If I get chance, obviously I will do it. Cause मैं जब like छोटी थी तब से मैं I used to do like trials on my mother and my sister's face. And मतलब मुझे बचपन से अच्छा लगता था मेकअप वगैरह करना. But I never thought कि as a career मैंने उसको कभी नहीं लिया है क्योंकि और एक बात, मेरी मम्मा भी ब्यूटिशियन है, तो फिर मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैं उसमें कर सकती हूँ, पर मैंने अभी तक उस बारे में सोचा नहीं है, बस अच्छा लगता है.
Okay, nice. So we have a lot of mehndi artists and nail artists in the house.
And I have seen that my cousins itself, they are abroad, but they don't have good salons or any place where they can hold their own events and have good makeup artists.
Right.
So that's a very good opportunity that I can.
Yeah, totally. It's such a big opportunity.
Yeah.
I recently flew to Central America, which was Panama, and the reason the bride chose me because there were not even a single makeup artist who can understand the Indian skin tone there. So abroad we do have a lot of opportunity to grow. Yes. I think that a lot of people have the doubt that, you know, whether since my academy is in Bombay and you guys are in Pune, guys, do not worry. You don't need any backing. You don't need any family connection. We are there as a family. We will guide you. Everything is provided there. सारा कुछ बना हुआ है. You just have to come to Bombay and yeah, your journey starts. You know, if I can go to London and Paris and learn, आपको सिर्फ पुणे से बॉम्बे आना है यार, और लाखों कमाने हैं. So what's stopping you? You know, so subscribe on my YouTube channel as well. Yes, there's a Kajol R Paswan. Please, I need the subscription. And thank you for listening to me. And we're gonna announce the winner soon.